Welcome back to another video of RW Outdoors. In this video we'll be changing the heating elements in our water heater in our cabin. When we opened up the cabin this spring, we left the breaker on and there's no water in the tank, so it burnt up the heating elements. And we need to change them today. Now before you open up any part of your water heater, it's beneficial to cut the power supply to your water heater. Now as you can see, I've already done that. And now we will undo the cover. So let's take a drill, 2 screws, just slowly undo this. Now we'll do this bottom one. Get that screw off. Set your drill down. Now behind this cover is going to be some insulation, so you want to take that off too, because it will prevent the heat from escaping from the inside of the water heater. So just pull this out, just like that. And then there's like a little plastic cover here. You'll pull that out so you can get to the heating elements. You might have to just wiggle it around a little bit, and then just pull it down, and there's the heating elements. One thing you'll need to do before taking the elements out is make sure your water heater is drained, so when you take this out, water doesn't spray out. Now once you have that, you can take these screws out for the wires. You just pull it out of the way. The same thing the other one. Then once your wires are good, it should look like that. Now that you have the wires out of the way, it takes an 1.5 inch socket to remove the element out of the way. Now let's put it on there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Then once it's loose, you just pull it up by hand. And you see this is old and rusted. Got this new element off of Amazon for about $12, and we matched the specs up to our water heater and it all matches. So now we'll take it out of the box and put it in. So then you'll put it in there, start threading it in. And then once it's hand tight, then you do it with a little bit with the socket. Wire out of the way. Snug this up. Make sure you don't want to over tighten it, because there's a nice gasket on it. And now we will put the wires back on. No matter what one is like that, but as long, and then just put the wire along in there. Have the wires in the terminals, we'll snug them up. That should be good. We'll do the other side. That should be good. Then we'll put the cover back on. Slides the same way as we took it out. Just like that. Then we'll put the insulation back on. Then we'll put the cover back over. Now this water heater has 2 elements. We'll only be doing the upper one just to shorten the time of the video. It's done the same exact way as we did over this top one. So then once they're hand tight, you can just take your screwdriver and snug it back up. That should be good. Now the bottom one's the same exact way as the top one. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.